Too sneaky, man. We back with another body cam video, man. Let's go, man. I bet don't got no audio right now.
Now!
7,
Hear me?
4.
Chill the fuck out! Now! Now!
He's streaming in that motherfucker like that be a child. Take that shit outside. What you doing?
No! Stop!
He was fine yesterday.
Yeah. I'm good yesterday. Stop!
You can't have your dog disturbing everybody inside the gas.
You're disturbing her right now. Listen, bye.
You can't have a dog in a gas.
Arrest me or move on. Arrest me and move on.
No, the employees want you gone.
Then trespass me. Trespass
Okay,
me.
you're
or move
fine.
on.
You're trespassing.
I want to hear from her. I want to hear from her.
Then leave.
Arrest me. Sit down.
Be easy
Sit
now.
down.
What's that?
Be easy now.
What, lock him up?
Yeah.
Lock him up. What? Lock him up? Hey, if he was black, when he would have said lock him up, y'all would have locked him up. Lock him up. What y'all doing?
We're being cool.
You could have just left.
You just can't play your music and
I can do
hang
it.
out.
I'll do what the fuck I want to do. Move on.
Okay, I can't. I was called here. This is gonna.
And don't walk up on me. I'll fuck you.
If your dog fights with us, it's going to be bad.
Do it. Right here. Step off me. Step off. You're going to be dead. I promise you that. You're going to be dead, bitch. You step off. Now. Try it. Try it. Big son of a dick hoe. A big old black answer. Sit the fuck down. Sit down. Come try it.
You need to leave.
That boy playing that junk in there. He playing that thing in there. Y'all boys gotta stop playing. Hey, and I better not get copyrighted by that song.
You need to leave. The lady asked you to leave.
I'm not going to back up.
Get the sergeant.
No.
Get the sergeant.
No.
You're making this to your neck.
No.
I promise you. Try it. Try it. I'm waiting. Please do. Let me show you the fuck I am. Make your move, bitch. Any one of y'all. Try it.
He act like he ready to die by this junk. He act like he ready to die. I would have just slid. He can go to another Circle K or whatever he at.
I'm right here. Yeah. Oh, bring it. Bring it. You don't even want the other two. I promise.
right.
You only need 5. Bring 5. Bring 10. Try it. Bring all you need, bitch.
Put those scissors down.
Try it.
What's that?
He's got a pair of scissors.
I saw, yeah. I'll stay. You're good. I'll let him stay that.
What are y'all scared? How are you police officers and scared to arrest me? Huh? How the fuck are you police officers and you're scared of me? Quit being a bitch and do your job, ho, or move the fuck on.
More people will get better. No. They got to be after that to pull it off.
You want me to go? So listen, man, you got a chance to walk away right now. If you refuse to, you're going to go to jail, and your dog's going to go to the pound. That's up to you. That's what you want to do.
Hey, so he does have a pair of scissors.
He's got a pair of scissors. He's got a big pair of scissors.
He's got a knife. He had it on earlier.
And he's got a dog, so.
He's got a big knife somewhere under his head.
Get up here, freeway. I'll want you to keep the air clear.
Put that away, bitch. Now.
You got a leash on your dog?
You, bitch. You. And what are you?
You got a leash on your dog? We don't got to shoot. Hey,
Palmer,
leash your
take the dog. Take the dog with the taser. Turn around.
Turn around.
Turn around. Turn around. Put your hands behind your back. You're gonna get taped.
Hey, guys, this is how it is.
Turn around. We're not gonna do that.
Put your hands behind your back.
Now he trying to talk. Wait. Hold on. Wait. Everybody chill. Wait. No, you were doing all that tough junk. Let's go.
Put your hands behind your back.
Y'all need to fix this now. Why are you even at her? Why are you even at her? Why are you even at her?
Your dog going to the pound. You're going to jail. Why you worrying about your dog right now? What is you doing? You ain't finna go get her back.
Put your hands behind your back. You're gonna get it again. Put your hands behind your back. It's your dog.
A woman. Is it dog? A woman. Gonna fight woman.
Go. Get her.
It's okay, baby.
On his head? On his head like that? No, he foul. He foul for that. He good for that.
Turn around.
I'll cut it.
Turn around.
I got his arm. I got his arm.
Hold on. Yeah. I'm having a good Hold on.
How many y'all use? I'm being serious now. That was fun. The fuck, that's what I needed. How many y'all use? How many did y'all use? Y'all used 3? It took 3? That's what's up.
Back off, motherfucker.
It took 3 tasers and an army of men to take me down. And y'all still didn't do it.
Now you're losing your dog, too.
No, hold on, wait, hold on. He tripping. He was already down by the tasers. Then they just came. It didn't take 3. It didn't
thought.
take 3
No, you
to
thought.
take you down.
You thought.
You already went down.
Dog's going to shelter.
You know who's the dog? You can take that from my mom. She was right next door.
It ain't going anymore. Sure, it's getting surrendered. You're not getting your dog back.
Okay. Yeah, remember me, bitch? Yeah, you did.
Let me know when you're going to turn it.
Stop. I'm not doing nothing. Y'all are being aggressive.
Knock it off.
Your job is gone. Your job is gone, bitch. Your job is gone. Why are you doing this? Why? Why? Because you're a bitch? Because you're a bitch? Because you're a bitch? You want to suck a big old dick, bitch? Big old dick, suck a fat dick, bitch? Yeah, right there. Go ahead, hit it. Fuck.
Good?
Yeah, I'm good. Y'all good?
That boy free balling? Why they did him like that? Why they did him like that? Boy? They didn't have to do that like that. That boy had to check. He was like, hold on, what? That boy had to check 4 times.
I don't need that nuts. Fuck.
He's been arrested before.
Many times, bitch. Why is it so necessary? It takes this many to take me out? A whole army? 3 tasers in an army? Y'all still some bitches. Y'all suck at your fucking job. The fuck? Took a whole squad and you still didn't do shit.
They finna throw him in there. They about to throw him in there. They already had him inside the position. His whole body went in that bit on hood. His whole hood.
Hey, the dog dealer's out here. Why don't you come grab the dog?
Whose dog is it? It's his dog right here. It's your dog? Who's those?
Man, they tased the dog. Somebody was like, fuck this shit. They were like, forget this.
Yeah, grab the dog.
Roll over! Put your hands behind your back! I'll come and get you out! I know.
Why they switched the camera like that? We thought he was in a car already. Like what is they doing? They switching the camera at jump.
Put your hands behind your back! You're gonna get it again! Put your hands behind your back! You're not gonna bite me! It's your dog! What?
Hold on. No, it's a dog here.
You're gonna bite woman!
Get him up.
Alright, owner's here for the dog.
Come here, Jinx.
Hold on.
Yeah, as soon as we can grab him. Get your dog.
It's okay.
I got it. But the last time the other dog got shot, so I'm alright.
Okay, we gotta get the
Last time the other dog got shot. So what y'all doing? Going to gas station to gas station? What y'all playing for?
You can just pull him out.
No, we gotta go get one of those things, yellow thingies.
I don't have one.
Yeah. Can someone go to Palmer's Park, get one of those yellow thingies to get the probe out of the dog's face?
I'll take the dog.
It's alright, baby. It's okay. We're gonna get it out of just. Hey, baby. It's okay. Fine.
Now you're losing your dog, too.
No, you're gone.
Now you're not.
You're gone.
You're not.
Okay, you alright, baby? Okay.
Why is the dog in here?
This guy's a fucking asshole.
You know who's the dog? You can take that from my mom. She was ready to go.
I'm making sure it's getting surrendered. You lost your fucking dog.
I got the dog.
He said the dog getting stringered? What he said?
You want
She
to
was
pet
ready to
that
go.
dog?
I'm making sure it's getting surrendered. You lost your fucking dog.
What the fuck? That boy tripping.
It's okay, baby. It's okay. Stop. We'll take her to the station. You're gonna get it out, okay? We're gonna get it out. It's okay.
It is your dog or it's his? Oh.
Last time,
Just say it's your dog. He not like that. Got in the store and said it's your dog.
Jinx.
it's okay.
That's one day.
I don't have it now.
It's okay.
Hey, I got
It's
an idea.
okay.
Switch the camera.
Alright? It's okay. Alright. No, we'll go get him later, okay? Hey, someone help me. Can you hold it? Because we gotta pull this out.
Jinx.
Good. It's okay. Sit.
Or about people up on the street.
Sit. Is this your dog?
Yeah, I got no Zach at the house.
You got a what? Is this your dog though?
Yes, mine.
Is this your dog?
Yes.
Okay.
That's his uncle. That's my uncle.
All right. What's his problem?
He's fucking crazy. He thinks he's run this fucking world.
Why is you telling on your uncle like this? Just say that's my uncle. Why he like this, I don't know. He think he run the fucking world and like, what are you doing? Like, chill.
President of the United States.
Alright.
He's fucking crazy.
So you're going to take this dog home with you?
I'm gonna take him home.
You got your ID?
Yeah.
Get your ID off the window.
Get the chair ready.
Why you need my ID?
Yeah, 2324 was the jail now.
Sorry, bud.
Yeah, I stay literally right.
Yeah, I just gotta jot your info down. Why does he have your dog though?
He's helped me train.
Yeah, don't get this dog ever again.
I got a whole boy, full grown.
But here's the thing: if this yours,
you can toss that. It's garbage.
I cut it.
if he does this shit, you want him to take all this property with him? It's his uncle.
I said,
He can take it. Take that.
that's my mom.
I got you.
That's her brother.
What's the phone number for you, man?
Nothing. Like he ain't tripping.
Yeah.
You alright, baby? Sorry, girl. It's okay. Yeah, the dog I really loved, I had to fuck with. He took my house out of asking me. Yeah. He just trying to. Then my last one got shot.
Is this a girl or guy?
It's a girl.
Oh, I hope she's okay.
Almost. Shit.
Good girl.
You
So
guys.
she's a little freaked out right now.
Yeah. You guys, she's the male. 4 times as
Yeah,
really.
I'm glad.
But hey, you gotta be careful because one day the dog's gonna get shot.
She could have got shot. Yeah, that's the last thing I want to shoot.
Yeah.
I have 3 dogs. That's the last thing I want to shoot a fucking dog.
Like my first one that was with him, my actual pit bull, Reynolds pit, same size as her. He got shot 9 times with a Glock. So I felt bad.
This is all your uncle's shit, so make sure.
All right, man. You want to load her up and?
Yeah.
I'm gonna follow you back too.
You got his
I stand
name.
everybody's on the street, so.
Alright. I got his info.
Okay.
We'll lock his name.
Brian's doing
It's his dog, so we're trying to.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. Huh?
She's mine.
Yeah. All right, man. You're good to go. All right. So appreciate it.
Yeah, you got his info. That's all I came in here for.
I would have been love. That boy stayed in that bitch for way too long, bitch. Playing. But yeah, man. I'm gonna follow you back too. I drive the motherfucking make more videos. But yeah, man, I'll be back, man. It's 2Sneaky, man. And we out.